components of the PowerPoint window. This is how the PowerPoint 2016 main window looks like. Let us learn about the various components of PowerPoint 2016 window.
Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Control Buttons, Tabs, Ribbon, Slides and Outline Pane, Status Bar, Speaker Sets Notes Pane, Placeholder.
Title Bar. The title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. It shows the name of the current presentation or the name by which the presentation is saved. It also shows the name of the program.
Control buttons. The control buttons are present on the right of the title bar. There are 3 buttons: Minimize button, Maximize or Restore Down button, and Close button.
Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar appears on the left side of the PowerPoint 2016 title bar. It contains commonly used command buttons such as Save, Undo, Redo, and Slideshow. Ribbon. A ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. Each tab has a set of commands present in the shape of tool buttons. Slides or Outline Pane. The Slides or Outline pane is located on the left side of the window. The Slides pane shows thumbnail of each of the slides in the presentation. The Outline pane shows a text outline of all the information on the slides. Speaker's Notes pane. The Speaker's Notes pane is where the speaker can write notes for himself. These notes can only be viewed by the speaker. They do not appear when the presentation is running. Placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted box on a slide which may contain text, pictures, video, etc. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays information about the number of current slide, total number of slides, and what design theme was used.